Subscribe to our channel KK with Gaming and hit the bell icon to get notification of every video we upload.
Hello my friends, I'm back with another video. It's me from KK with Gaming, and my friends, in this video I will show you how to use cards to your video, to your YouTube video. So let's get started. And my friends, in this video I will talk and show you how to use cards to your YouTube videos. First of all, let's go to Chrome and open your YouTube, and first of all go to your this icon, click it one time, go to Creator Studio, and just pick up your one video. I will pick up this video. Okay, let's go for, you can go for edit, just click it, edit to this edit icon, wait for some times, and my friends, you can see like this card to your screen, and just click it, wait for some time, wait for some times to fully load up, and after that you can do it, my friends. First of all, pause it. Yeah, it is fully loaded, and you can create a video list, and you can create a channel also. This is channel means you can promote your another channel or your friend's channel or other. Don't go for this also, direct go to this poll and go to create, and just you can type like do you, sorry my friends, just type like this, and you can question mark also. This D is not capital, yeah, it is capital, and let's delete this is small d. It is not deleting, why? Just delete it, and this will give two options to your viewers to say two option, or you can give more option like by adding this like this, or you can give only two options. So first of all, let's give option number 1, say yes, yes my friend, and in another option say no, yeah my friends. This after this you can create card. This card will help you by in many things, how the viewers like your video, how viewers react to video. If they like this video, they will say yes, or if they do not like, they will say no, and you can know how many people like your video and how many people don't like your video, and you can do more thing also. Let's go for, you can create a video promote a video also. Let's go and promote my this how to add watermark in your YouTube videos. You can see this video also, so let's go and create it. And you can see like this in your down, just remove it, and this is it. You can drop to between the video. There are two. One of is of do you like this video, one of it of how to add watermark. You can see this is of how to add watermark, and this is do you like my video. When this moment, when the video will goes to 30 seconds, there will be a notification pop up in your upper screen, which do you see in other videos also, other YouTuber videos also. Let's go and play it. No offense. Let's go from play it from 20 seconds. Yeah, you can see like this. And let's go for 43. Yeah, 42. And you can see do you like my video, and after that your viewers will react to your video by saying yes or no. And I think I showed in my video right here. If you like this video, my friends, don't forget to like, share and comment. And I think for today, peace out.